So kabisdak, this is our second batch. I watch it on, and she is my favorite Asian famous baker or something like that. But I won't tell you anymore. But really, this is good food, and this is kind of tinapay kabisdak. Tinapay in our language is bread. So here you go. I'm going to share you, right? So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. So let's get started. This time I got ready dough. Second time making this kind of bread. Then the first time it was too good. It's like I did a trial in error. So, di ba kabisda, kung naatay isolve na to sa mathematics o sa atong lesson, maghimo tag trial and error. But, what I did, that was the first time, then, I got a good feedback sa nagkaon who were eating it. They said it's good. So, this time, I'm going to share you. Alright? So, let's get started. So, this is the normal dough. As I told you, the full recipe that I learned is I had add-on, I omitted something on it, then I have twisted something like that. It's because what I have in the pantry, that's what I got. So, what I'm telling you, is that in times that you don't have something, the full exact of what you want kind of ingredients, get an option, okay? Because we are not able, I made this just for eating or for home thingy. So, and at the same time, I'm going to show you, okay? Kung sa akong ginakaon, kung what I did with eating, and I feel that is so good and I want to share, okay? Here you go. So this time, I'm going to flour the table. I'm going to flour the table, okay? So like that. It's normal thingy. Okay. First thing is we have to show, I'm going to show you how it check if it's good or ready. You didn't put it. Oh, so that's fine, yeah? It is ready. So, any kawit kabisdak, I let it rise about an hour or 1.5 hours. It's okay. But for me, I just let it about 1 hour and a half, something like that. Because this is my second time, as I told you, to make it. This I just mix like that. Okay. Don't worry, my hands, my hands is clean. Okay. So this time, we got divided, yeah, have to divide in two. So don't worry, on the description below, I'm going to write down the last, the exact measurement of this, okay? And disclaimer also again, because I learned this from the tutorial and thingy, so don't worry, because before I did and show to this, and show up this one and going to share you is, I did an trial and error thingy. So this is it. So we got this one there. It's rising already. So we have to divide this. Okay. We'll get back. So this one kabisdak, I had a special thingy. This one tool. Going to divide like that. It's up to you kabisdak ha. If for business, something like that. But this one is not for commercial, yeah. So this is for homemade consumption just so no tipid, or I really like to copy and or something, I add on something, I omit something, and I add on something on my recipe, because at the first time I did is it's so good so what if I will add this. So that is me kabisdak. Sometimes when I learn something, I won't stick on the whole thingy. So get that right. Okay, sorry about that. So don't stick, okay? So size as this, you make a ball, round the ball like this. I need to be quick because after this I'm going to make something else for my pet. But it's okay, after 3 hours they come in. So when they come back, I'm done here. Okay. Kung kauban ka basta kay nagsisiyag agi-agi. Kabalo man siya, she knows already that when I'm going to do the thingy, I don't want the noise, yeah. So this kabisdak, whenever you're recording something, it's better if you stay in a place where the noise is really. Can you close the door, please? Here you go. Anyway, kabisdak, you know what I'm going to do this time. I didn't tell you yet, yeah. I didn't tell you yet. It's because basta later I'm going to show you what's gonna be like the output of this. Okay, for now I just show you how I did like this. Okay, so don't worry, kabisdak. I did a trial and already, so I know how much. It's not perfect or accurate really, the weighing thingy, but it's okay. Yeah. And I advise you, kabisdak, also before you start doing. It's like this time, yeah, we're doing the balls like that. We're going to make the balls each sizes that. Yeah. Make sure that your oven is preheated na. Okay? Yeah. We'll get back. Okay? So I show you how it look like now. Taran. See? This is how it look like. Yeah. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So get 20. Yeah. We can make 24 out of this, kabisdak. Don't worry, I will just adjust later the sizes. Alright? This is the good thing of being homemade because you can adjust anytime. Yeah, and as you wish. Yeah. Okay, we'll get back. Right. So this time, kabisdak, what I'm going to do is we're going to form the. Remember last time the pizza that I made, kabisdak? How it looked like, the bread, the dough that I make, the pan de pizza. If you were new to this channel, please do like and subscribe. If you're not, just scroll up or browse some of my videos that it called, I think the title is pan de pizza, something like that. So this is actually, this time I'm going actually to make the shape or the sizes or the style or see, can you see that? Remember last time I made a pan de pizza. But kabisdak, the difference of this dough is I put or add something, yeah. I get the twist, I omit, and I delete something. Because what I got in the pantry, kabisdak, is just be it. Yeah, delete may ita og wala. Because this is different. Okay, this is the mixture of this is not the pizza dough thingy. I add on and I omit something. Okay, don't worry, I will write the thing. So this time, kabisdak, we got this, yeah. Then I'm going to show you the filling. So this is a custard filling. I will also add the description down below and write down below how I did this. Okay. Anyway, kabisdak, disclaimer to I learned it from the tutorials anyway. Then this one is another thing that I learned, and it called Asian, Korean or something, Chinese custard bread, something like that. Then kabisdak, the only thing I didn't copy it because, as I told you, it's better that it's good because I make this one in be an homemade thingy, so I can change, I can add, okay, I could do something on of it. Okay, so we got, don't worry ha, so this time I'm going to fill, yeah, like this. So if you see that, here you go. So there's the filling, yeah. So, oh, it's so sticky. Oh, that's better. Okay, so it's really good kabisdak if you're doing it homemade because you can change what you want and what you wish. Okay, the side. So what I did see how it look like. Yeah. And after that, wait, get back. So the shape is like this. It has filling inside. Then we're going to do this, kabisdak. I'll show you. On the side, okay? Use the fork. Tang tang, tang tang, tang tang, tang tang. Pang, 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 pang. Then, if you have knife or just fork like this, you have to do the slit here on the side, okay? Can you see that? So when you're going to bake this one, dili siya mubuto. It won't explode or gonna be splat all over the place, something like that. Yeah. Magluto na siya, magbukaka na siya kabisdak. It will split here a bit, and it's beautiful. Right? So, got idea how it. Then let it sit about 20 or 30 minutes. Okay? So, you got ready always your baking pan. Huh? Then it's oil, it's grease, something like that. So, we're going to make another one, shall we? Okay. So, you got idea already, huh? And do this. In our language, we call this kabisdak. Mutubo pa man gud siya. Let it set. Tubo pa na siya. Tapos mag-shiny pa siya, look. Another one. So we're going to fill it up with the custard, the fillings. As I told you, I'm going to share you my recipe in this. Yeah? Dali lang kayo siya kabisdak himuon. See? Can you see that? So, plaque, you have to do that. Then magtapo na siya. Then on that side, you have to press. Pitpitin mo lang siya like that. Yeah. Make sure lang adili siya mo awas kabisdak. It won't spill all over the place, ha? So the how it look like is like this. So now another one. See? So what I did is I just did that, look. Black on the side. Seal it. Then, Then after that, you have to go make a big slit here. Para when it cook na, mag-bake na siya, mag-start na siya, cook na siya. Beautiful because it will split this one kabisdak, look. This one, plang, maganyan siya, magbukaka siya. So gwapa na siya. Diba? Okay, we got two. So make another one. Okay. Okay, we'll get back on you, ha, kabisdak. So, kabisdak, this is how I look like, yeah. The way I make mine. So, this is my, kabisdak. So, this is how it look like, right? So, then after that, let me like that. So, leave for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, something like that. Then, after that, we're going to brush on an egg wash. We call that egg wash, kabisdak. So, you got idea now? Then, I'm going to take you, ta-da! Yeah, this is almost ready, kabisdak. Yeah, ready for baking. So you got an idea now how it look like, can it be? So if you got slit on that side, can you see that? So this time I'm going to make a slit, huh? Okay, this is the best time we're going to make a slit now. Alright, so we'll get back. So, as I told you, kabisdak, this is how it look like when we done the... So, after 20 minutes, kabisdak, that I let it set. So, can you see how it look like? Yeah. Oh, can you see the slit? Here you go. And another tray. See that? Can you see that? Oh, right. So this time, kabisdak, we're ready for brushing. We're going to make an egg wash, kabisdak. One egg, kabisdak, just beat it and drop a tablespoon of milk or something like that. So can you see the slit now? That's the sign of it's ready for baking. But before that, we're going to brush. All right. See, can you see this? Okay, brush, then brush, just so yeah, then brush. We don't need to get perfect, ha, kabisdak, ha, because it's homemade, yeah. But would you believe, kabisdak, that homemade is yummy? Yahoo! Sorry about that. Yeah, it's yummy, kabisdak, because no tipid, no? You know, when I did this, I make with love. I put love on it, my heart. I'm happy. Would you believe that, kabisdak, when you're baking, we're doing something, you put love on it? The result is what? Aww. It's so yummy. So this time it's ready for baking. Okay, so don't worry. So sa bagong kapanood pa lang dyan, I'm going to add the description here. I forgot to slit this. Sorry about that. Okay, here you go. Yeah. That's gonna be how it look like. Yeah? Diba? Ito, napikot na siya. Na dapat imong dako-dakoon imong slit nimo kabisdak kayo. Uba, mawala siya kadugayan is because when it dries, ang shape niya, it will change. Yeah? Like this, I did already, but I need to do it again. It's because when it dries, ang shape niya iba na. Ibang-iba ka na nga. Alright. Katakanta pa. Ulan giniron. Oh. Dili good kabisdak kay dili kay ulan.
Oh, no.
So, ito sa pikas, ha. I'll take you the other tray. So, see? Hihi! Kay merinda ani kabisdak. Yeah. Actually, what is this, kabisdak? This is Korean bread. And the filling is custard. Yeah. So another recipe, another stop we learned today. And I share. Huh? I learned it for how many kidari kay pistak. I already did a trial as I told you. Then, so, as I told you, kabisdak, this is how it look like when we done the to bake na. Final na, kabisdak. Here you go. So beautiful. And our oven is ready. Ta-da! And here you go, middle rack. So, and 15 minutes. We'll get back. Okay. So, kabisdak, our oven says, I'm done. And here you go. It's ready for for eating. Sorry. And that the second batch, and we got the first batch. So I'm about to. Yeah, you have your chai. Get your chai there. Whose picture? Yee! Akong kauban ka bisda kay nagipangita. See, and you there, nga my pet ka bisda is outside is waiting. Hey! Nang kulit lang sa kakulitan lang. Okay, beautiful, yeah. So kabisdak, this is our second batch. Oh, tanawa na, buliskad. Look at that. So this is the reason why we need to seal it properly, because it will gonna be like this, kabisdak. But sorry, because I just try, huh? Yahoo! Look at the other one, kay nahimo siyang murag empanada. No, look at the mouth. Murag lips ni biti book. Ginoo ko. Look at that. So yummy, right? You can try kabisdak better than this, maybe. Try it by yourself and share it also to your family. If you learn something, please do share. Okay? Please do share. Kaya ang tinuod nga baker, cook, they love to share. Para mudaghan ta. Okay? Not just, oh, I got recipe like this and I'm going to keep it all by myself. What if you're gonna die quickly? Yeah? So how could you share anymore your wisdom thingy? Your wisdom is a blessing and is a blessing from God. So, and your skills also, you have to learn that. You did learn that or something. You have to share also. Okay? That's our tips for today. We have to share. We have to share everything that we would love to. Like this, cooking, baking, hala, share. And please do share also my YT channel to your timeline. Alright, so this is it. So yummy.